Hey, so I just got this new stair stepper to have at home and I'm super excited. I live in a condo where I don't have a lot of space and I needed something that folds up that I can put away, but that I can pull out to get a real full body workout going. So I just finished putting this together a few hours ago. It took me maybe about 15 or 20 minutes. It wasn't bad at all. It comes in I think it was like 4 main parts with a few little parts to put on. But everything feels really heavy duty. You've got some cushion here on the handlebars. And yeah, really easy to put together. They put a couple of tools in here that you're going to need to just screw a couple of bolts. Honestly, I don't even think I used this one to tighten certain things. I was able to use the Allen wrench for most. And the only other thing I needed from home was scissors, or you could use a blade to cut some of the zip ties off. So anyway, it was not bad to put together, did it all by myself, and super easy. A couple of things to let you know about as far as adjustments and how you get it all set up. On the foot pedals here, you're going to have these bolts that you can kind of just slide out, and then you can adjust them to different angles. So if you'd rather have more of a slope, then you can do that. And I had it set on this highest one. I did notice as I was using it, I could really feel that working like the front of my shins. And so I would say probably the mid-level is where I'll generally be using that. Up here, you're going to have a little kind of computer, and you can also pull this out and kind of attach it to your phone. So if you want to put your phone horizontally, that's going to help hold on to that. They have a QR code that you can scan to download the app that you can use on your phone. And then you have some different things on here like your time, calories, pulse, some other things. So you can use that when you're going. And then if you want to adjust the handlebars, there is this right here, and you're just going to unscrew that, and you can lower or raise this. It's got a couple of notches where you can tighten that. And then to fold it up, there's another little bar right down here that has a pull pin very similar to what was underneath the steps. And once you pull that out, you can fold this to where that's kind of close to flat. I'm planning on keeping this behind a really large mirror that I have in another room. Anyhow, I did get to try this out a little bit, and I'll just kind of show you. So when you get started, you want to for me, I put one foot all the way down. And then because a lot of this is going to be controlled by you, you can decide how large the steps, how big you want them to be. You're going to have some resistance there. But I can do little steps if I want, or if I can do really large steps, and it works really well either way. I'm really feeling it in my quads, and so I know I'm gonna get a really good workout out of this. Anyhow, need to go take my makeup off so I can do that because I'm not gonna do it just yet. But I'm really liking it. I like how easy it is to store, and it's gonna be great. Hope that helps.